a turmeric. As you can see, a lot of our cow pots broke down. Hey everyone, I'm Angelique and you are now tuned into Smarter by Nature TV. I'm in my backyard and today I'm going to be up-potting my turmeric. At the beginning of this year, which is 2021, at the beginning of this year, we took our turmeric, our small little root turmeric, and we planted it in small cow pots, about like this size. And now we're going to be taking those cow pots and up-potting them into our 2-gallon pots, which is, this is an example. So I'm going to be taking my small turmeric plants and up-potting them so that they have more room to grow and more room to breathe and just love life. So here's an example of a turmeric that is sprouting. This one got detached from a larger cluster, but I'm going to be planting this by itself because it's going to grow a whole new plant and it's just going to keep producing. So I'm going to even put this in a pot of its own. As you can see, a lot of our cow pots broke down, and that's okay because it's time anyway. I'm glad that it's this biodegradable stuff that's breaking down and not plastic. So I'm really glad about that. We have some leaves in here. So we're gonna get these up potted and into a new space. So here I have a mixture of potting mix, earthworm castings, and azomite. And so I'm gonna be putting this in our 2-gallon pots along with the turmeric plants.